What's up, guys? Hey man, it's been a minute since I posted a video, and I just want to say to everybody, Happy New Year, guys. Hey man, it's been a minute. If you are new to this video, if you this video is just reaching you for the first time, guys, I want to say subscribe to the channel. I want to reach out to more people. I want to keep putting more content out there. I want to be able to help the young guys coming in or the new guys coming in, no matter what age, guys, females, whatever, you coming in and you want to learn more about the box truck industry, or the logistics industry really, but you want to get started with your box truck, no CDL needed for a box truck. Most box trucks, you don't need a CDL. So I just want to say to you guys, if you find any value in my videos, guys, go ahead and subscribe so we could go ahead and reach more people. Subscribe, like, and share the video. I would really appreciate it. I want to use this channel to help out as many people as possible. All right, guys. So that's the purpose of me making videos. I'm not trying to gain anything from the videos. All right. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me reach out more people on the channel. So here we go, guys. I just want to get started by saying the questions I've been getting from majority of you guys. I want to be able to try to help answer those questions. And one of the questions I've been getting most lately is that industry oversaturated, guys? And I just want you to stay tuned and try to. We could go through it together. You know what I mean? So, and another thing I've been getting a lot of questions about is the brokers list I have that works with New Authority. All right, so I do have a brokers list. So stay tuned to the end of this video, and I will, watch the videos through the end. So it's not long. I'm not gonna make much of a long video. So watch the video through the end, and I will let you know how you could get that brokers list that I have that works with New Authority. All right, guys. So if you are New Authority, you're just getting started, I have a list of companies that works with new authorities, because majority of companies out there do not like working with new authorities because, one, they don't have much experience over the road. You don't have much experience doing this. So most companies shy away from people like that. And one, they want to know that they could trust you, that because a lot of guys get in the industry, and they're not consistent. They get in and they want to get out immediately. So I have a list of guys that will give you a shot and give you a chance to get your foot in the door and get some experience until you want to do something else. All right. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and answer those questions. And another question I've been getting is, what insurance company do I use? That's one of the most questions I've been getting. Insurance company, the brokers list that I have, and as well as is this industry is oversaturated. So with that being said, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Let's share the channel. Let's support it. Let's like it, and let's go ahead and put it out there so we could reach more people and help more people. So basically, that's the premise of this. I like to help people. I don't like to keep all the game to myself or try to sell the game. All right, this is not what I'm here for right now. I just want to help the newcomers and the new guys in the industry, really, and somebody that's trying to get the foot in the door. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and answer those questions, guys. First and foremost is the industry oversaturated? And straight up, my answer to that is no. All right, it's not. This is a $1 trillion industry. All right, this is a $1 trillion. Logistics is a $1 trillion industry. It's not oversaturated, so you just got to do your due diligence. Go ahead out there and be creative. All right, there's so many ways to be creative in this industry and make money in this industry. You got to be consistent. All right, with anything you do, you don't go to the gym on the first day and come back and go home after your first day from the gym and look at your body and say, hey man, this is not working. Or your first day, your first week, even your first week, your first month. Some people will see a little bit of gains in the first month, but you don't just go ahead and just quit after the first, and you're not going to see results if you're not being consistent. So consistency is the most important thing, and discipline is the most important thing with anything you're going to be doing in life. All right, guys. So with that being said, the industry is not oversaturated. All right. You got to be creative. You got to, there's load boards, there's logistics group, there's Facebook groups out there that posting loads or posting companies hiring or posting companies looking for people. You want to go on Indeed, you want to go on LinkedIn, even TikTok lately has people posting videos of posting loads, you know what I mean? So you got to be creative, guys. Just don't give up, all right? It's not oversaturated. Everything that we need from the grocery store is moved and shipped through logistics. So box trucks, semis, I mean, whatever, 18 wheelers, whatever, they're being shipped via over the road via trucks. All right. So whether you're using a bus, a minivan, a pickup truck, a box truck, the industry is not oversaturated. All right, guys. So that's one of the questions I just kind of wanted to come up on here and answer to you guys, because you guys been as the questions I've been getting a lot lately from friends, you know what I mean, guys hitting me up on Instagram or Facebook saying, hey man, are you still doing this? Is the industry oversaturated? Can I still get into this? Is it too late to get into this? And I would say to you, no, guys, it's not too late to get into this. It's not oversaturated. So go ahead and get into this. All right. Go ahead and change your life. All right. If that's something you want to do, you don't want to work for somebody else anymore. You want to work for yourself. Go ahead and start it. Get an authority. Get your authority. Get your DOT number. Get your MC number. Get some insurance on your truck, guys, and that's it. That's what you need to get started. All right. So with that being said, let's get to the number 2 question. The number 2 question, we're going to talk about the insurance, guys, as my number 2 question, because we're going to save the brokers list for the last, because I want you guys to watch this video through the end. That's how I'm going to do it, guys. All right. I want you guys to watch the video through the end so we could get some, get the algorithm going on so I could reach more people. So I'm using Progressive. I've noticed a lot of insurance companies does not like working with commercial vehicles. So if you're using a Sprinter van or a pickup truck, you could use any insurance company on your truck. All right. But when you're doing any commercial vehicle, I've noticed Progressive has the best rate, and that's a company I've been going with. I'm not getting paid from Progressive. I'm not getting anything from Progressive. But if any Progressive agent is watching this video, all right, you could go ahead and hit me up, guys. Let me go ahead and promote your insurance company. All right, but I'm not getting paid from that. I'm just letting you guys, Progressive has been the best company for me for my commercial vehicle, for my box truck. So if you want to do Amazon, you want to do your own stuff, Progressive will help you. I mean, it depends on there's a lot of factors with it. All right, so I don't want to tell you what all the factors are, what all the requirements are to get a good rate on insurance, but you should know. You know what I mean? Your credit is a major factor. Your driving record is a major factor. So guys, you know what I mean? That's something you got to protect yourself out there. Even if you don't think of it, right? Driving around, and if you have a CDL, you can't be out there just be doing reckless driving, speeding, you know what I mean? Getting DUIs. That type of stuff affect you long term, whether you think about it or not. Those type of things affect you long term when you're trying to get yourself together. So I know when we're young, we do a lot of crazy stuff, you know what I mean? We don't think, but when we start getting older and getting a little wiser, you want to protect yourself. You want to protect those things, your driver's license, your driver's record, CDL. If you have a CDL, you want to protect that. You don't want to be out there getting a lot of tickets, and as well as your credit. You want to work on your credit as well. All right, guys. So that's something you need to take a look into. Those are some of the requirements that those insurance companies, that's what they look into. All right, your driving record, accident record. If you ever had any DUI out there, stuff like that. Those type of things affect you guys. All right, so think about it that way. So Progressive is the company I'm using, and they are very good. I'm getting a good rate with Progressive. So hit up your local Progressive insurance agency in the area and see what they got to offer for you. All right. So with that being said, let's get to the number 3 question on the list, and that is the brokers list, guys. I want to help you. I have a list of brokers that works with new authority. So if you are working on your new authority, or you're about to get your new authority together, hit me up on Instagram. First, what I want you to do for me is I'm gonna give it to you for free. Subscribe to my channel. Let's reach more people. Let's try to get this channel going so I could help more people, not just one, two. I want to help as many people as possible. That's what I want to do. And as well as reach out to me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Daz, D-A-Z _ Desi, D-E-S-I-E. Simple. That's what most people have been reaching out to me, and I've been sending that list to a lot of people. I just sent that list yesterday to a guy. All right, so I send that list to everybody. all the time. All right. So Daz underscore Desi, Desie, Daz Daz underscore Desi. Reach out to me on Facebook. Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. That'll be the fastest way for me to get your notification. When you follow me, I will see the follow notification, and then I will see that you message me or whatever. I will reach back to you, and I'll send you that brokers list of the brokers that works with new authorities. All right, guys. So with that being said, guys, I want to tell everybody, hey man, Happy New Year, and let's get on this road. Be safe, guys, on the road, and I will do my best to put out more content. And I want to say to everybody, subscribe to the channel, and let's get this channel growing. And I will put more information out there. And peace. Catch you guys on the other video. All right, later.